Hey, I'm Rob from Eureka, and this is the new Jade Canyon X. It's a great car camping tent for hot and humid weather and features Eureka's unique Cabin Max architecture. It's a big tent, but it's really easy to set up. And today, I'm going to show you how. The first thing you want to do is unpack the carry duffel and make sure you've got all the parts. First thing you're going to find here is the tent body itself. You've got the tent rain fly, 4 steel leg poles, 2 aluminum roof poles, and then lastly, a small aluminum brim pole. And the very last piece is a bag of stakes. So first, we're going to start here with the tent body. We're going to get this unrolled and spread out. Once you've got the tent body spread out, you want to find the 4 eave hubs that are labeled eave, leg, and roof, so you know exactly where to put the poles. So your next step is to assemble the roof. We're going to start by assembling the roof poles. Now that the roof poles are built, we're going to take each roof pole and slide it through the pole sleeves on the roof of the tent. You're going to slide these all the way through until they poke out the opposite end. Once you've got the roof poles slid through the sleeves, you can then take the ends and insert them into the roof socket of the eave hubs. As you can see, you've now got the roof built. We can move on to the legs. So you're going to take your 4 leg poles and get those assembled. With the leg poles built, we can now start inserting them into the eave hubs. You're going to take the open end of the leg pole, insert it into the leg socket of the eave hub, and then the opposite end, the pin, will go into the corner grommet. Now you can go around the tent and insert the other 3 leg poles. With the tent now standing freely, you can work your way around the tent and attach all of the leg pole clips. With the tent body now complete, we can move on to the rain fly. You want to make sure you match the webbing color on the fly to those on the tent body. Now we're going to drape the rain fly over the tent. Next, you're ready for the fly brim pole. Simply assemble this, and on the underside of the fly above the front door, you'll find a sleeve. Slide the pole through the sleeve and insert the end tips into the grommets on either side of the door. At each of the leg poles, you'll find a tent clip and a buckle with matching web at the bottom. The final and possibly the most important step is to make sure you stake down and guy out your tent. On the Jade Canyon X, you'll find the guy lines neatly tucked in pockets here at each of the eaves. Make sure you get those unwound and stake them out. So that's it for the Jade Canyon X. Despite its large size, a really easy tent to set up. Provides you with lots of standing room and great ventilation in hot and humid summer weather. Now get out there and enjoy it.